So the big DJ today, Ati Ziggy, and then on the DJ Waha. Of course, the big DJ today. Oh, Kosa. Congratulations, Charlie. Mama here proud. Congratulations. Thank you very much. The Star Boy. Onimbobo. The Star Boys.
Story go change. We'll go there tomorrow.
The president, the World Cup president. Exactly. Oh yeah, Mahmoud. Yeah.
I want to direct crossing.
Okay, I've been seeing your posts. I know you're fantastic. But after the game, are you related to Honorable Jaja? Okay. I wanted to call, but after the game, the tension was too much, so I couldn't call.
I disguise myself.
Yeah, because if they, yes.
Am I using that? When are you?
Oh, Gobe. Yeah, Gobe 1 p.m. Flight to Gobe. Hey, Sule. So the team is getting ready to leave the hotel for the airport. Of course, all the guys are here. That's Baba Idrisu dressing up and getting to the bus. The Ghanaian fans are here. We are preparing to fly to Ghana this evening. Everybody had done their parts. Of course. I told you what's in this bag. See now, I told you the win was in this bag.
This bag,
You need to see this
What
bag.
is in this bag?
That's the only way. If you take this bag, Nigeria will qualify for the next World Cup. Oh, God. It's all fun here at the Black Stars Hotel, Sheraton Hotel. All the guys are here. That's Gideon Mensah checking on his phone. The guys have made all of us up for the DJ for the day. Atizigi blowing his music here. It's all fun. All the other guys are in their rooms. They will come back to the ground floor and then to the bus. That's the legendary Sami Osei Kofuor, the legendary Bayern Munich, the greatest African player in the history of the Bundesliga. The greatest African player in the history of the Bundesliga. An influential part of the Ghana team. And they've been great for the team. Sami Osei Kofuor is here. And that is Professor Odoi, the new nickname, the new boy, Professor Odoi. What a game he had today, live in Ghana. What a game Professor had today. On the right, yeah, the new nickname is Suhum Sawam, left and right. Yeah, so the Professor Odoi. Prof Odoi. The new nickname he has in Ghana. Of course, Professor Odoi. Taking a selfie with the legend Sami Osei Kofuor. Ghana is at the World Cup. Live from the Black Stars Hotel. Of course, the only local components in the team. Dennis, good luck. As a folk fans in United Show, Ghana League fans in United now represent here. And you've been part of the team. Say something to the fans. Yeah. Of course. Okay. Dennis Kosa, Odona represented the league. Of course, the star boy is also here. Daniel Kofi Kofi and area and the Basima Okono. Daniel Kofi. Some of the boys are coming. Yeah, Elisha is there. And Jiku. What a defender. Jiku. Alex. Jiku. It's here. Alex looks tired. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. Alexander Jiku down here. Alexander, and all the blood in him, all the sweats, everything. Live in Ghana, live from the Ghana Black Stars Hotel. Yes, of course, Elisha Owusu is here. On board. All the guys are getting into the bus. The fans are Onyawaha, Dennis Odoi. Osini Dino Enno, Sisiano Kachem said the N is one. Dennis Odoi. Dennis with one N. Joseph Edu. One Baba Idrisu na omo resting Ohano. Joseph Edu, Baba Idrisu resting. Ewo aha omo train. Say yebe shishe enyema wie na bus no etu. So the Black Stars, Coach Otuado is in the bus right now. Henry Asante, the communications director, and then a tight MOBia. Whether you play some or you no play some, a tight. Afena Abefro bus, no see my star boy is in the bus. Fatawi Shaku is in the bus. Some a handful of Ghanaian fans who have come here to support the team. And Yasem Ketwa was Sheraton Hotel. We've really gone through a lot. Pressure for 90 minutes. Abuja job is complete. Until we are preparing to try and come home safe in Ghana. I'm just waiting to see one or two players. Obobe joining a live. Sisiana, yeah, to me, some of the players didn't come up. Of course, big man. Congratulations. Charlie, my proud. Oh yeah. Everything cool. We are live in Ghana. Ghanaian fans, over 4,000 of them watching you live on Facebook. Yeah, of course. Mameki, you're proud. Thank you. Yeah, the Nyamiase. So, yes, sir. Our guys have done well. An influential part of the technical team, backroom staff, our security, top guy. And then our bird, you are rough. Papa, way, the whole, and then our Atamfunye Nyame, Enshia they are go straight. I could deprive day. No, now for Yasamba GFA headquarters. About celebrating Qatar World Cup. Baba Idrisu. What I say? The midfield dynamo. Baba Idrisu. And so I don't know. All the guys have done themselves proud. Ewaha. Technical team members, we more hidden technical team members. Boy Juma were behind closed doors, but now Boy Juma. And the team now, see all of them are here. Air down. Ababe joining the team bus na Omako Airport straight. Akwako Shese Ombelandi or Ghana na fe Omatumi Eddie celebration na Twaso. I think that some of the members are still at the Sheraton Hotel. And you was here. Yeah, she a bit to me about modern na yet to me ama team bus no L2. Bibi abekos biano. Yeah, the whole Sembe Bremo. Checking out, of course. Oh, what a cozy environment. Everything. Mr. Alex Asante, the longest serving member of the Ghana Football Association. Onimbe Bia, Mr. Alex Asante. O qualifier. At least we shall be able to celebrate you. That is it. So Ghana team now, I think so all the members have joined the bus now. So it's time for takeoff to the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport. Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport. Na yaba straight aba Beshese Ghana. Ebetimi akwa land safely na fe yade celebration no atwaso. So this is live from the Ghana Team Hotel. Yes. Oh, Papa way. On say Yapon Bono, but this man is still working. Yapon Bono. Munsheni, oh boy, Juma Rough. Munsheni, there are people working in the background. Yapon Bono, but still, ne laptop no Ogusu our boy Juma also a very hard-working member of the technical team of the Black Stars. The backroom staff, everybody also mean Chanity because Mumboni din ewo a team himself on Juma. But this man is a hard working everywhere at Black Stars and Corner Odiomachi. Analysis of the videos, the free kicks, Bibia Babyano, Okaho, and Yetimi Ayer. Yes, Joseph Edu and air packing the bags, the luggage. Na Joseph Afro na Oko. Champion, defender, Joseph. Congratulations, Joseph. Congratulations. Congrats, bro. Congratulations. Oh, Sule. We are there in Qatar. We are there in Qatar. It is Sule, no, equipment officer of the Black Stars. On also a board Juma and a backroom for Namedio Mochem 1-1. Ebia unim no. Ghana for live over 6,000 people watching now. Everybody in Ghana, Sule. And Sawusha ye team na Obia Yenede. When they win, congratulate them. When they win, spend time and celebrate them. Qualification to the World Cup, and yet easy. Home 60,000 and 60,000 and over. 60,000 and over. And they are from one. Yet Timiako, you can't near my from one. I just say Bedru Ghana and Timiaka. So, and Tina, you can't, you know. Yanka Brofo. You catch oh Professor Odoy, and what's he from now? You better end it in the next 1 or 2 minutes. Team no air call no. Na ya share say you bet to me. Eja omo kwan fe. Na ya join the Jets. Na ya diaba Ghana. Yes. The Black Stars of Ghana, the Black Stars of Africa. They have come here and delivered. Professor Odoy, a serious guy. Suhum Sawam, Prof. No. Ball left, ball right. Team no Jamana statue of Basinum. Yes. Huge Jama, our team Basinum. Said the city, no. Mahu Kate, Edwin, Simeon, or Kreku, the president of the FA. Also, Ewaha. Yes, she said, you bet to me, Eja Omokwai Kama, Abobu, Ewaha. Or no, and the chief of staff of the Ghana Football Association. The mission has been accomplished. Yeah, the Abuja job, the vice president of the Ghana Football Association. And so, and then Ubia Yenejuma, about Ghana, Etimi, Enya, their qualification to the World Cup. And Yabeja Omokwai, na fe, Yashesi Yabetumi, Aba Beye, the Akanyina Ewofi.